Alright, what's up YouTube? It's Midwest Hypebeast, and this is the reason why you did not cop a Comme des Garçons box logo for week 4 of Supreme.
The dash a digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like book.
Alright, real quick before I start this video, I'm going to be doing a small little giveaway on my Instagram page, Midwest Hypebeast, once I hit 200 followers, so I'm only 53 followers away. I'm going to be giving away this Supreme BOGO sticker and this brand new Supreme bouncy ball, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so to the people that ended up copying what they wanted, whether that be the Comme des Garçons box logo hoodie, sweatshirt, or the split t-shirt, or maybe you wanted something else like the sweater, the Comme des Garçons sweater, congratulations, I'm really happy for you.
You, fuck you, fuck you.
For those of you that didn't cop, I'm pretty sorry, but don't be discouraged. There's going to be plenty of more opportunities to make money, resell, or if you're looking just for personal, there's going to be more BOGOs coming out. I think near December, they're going to be BOGO sweaters. So we are going to cook for that, what we're going to try. I'm definitely going to have another video out by then, and then we're just going to try our hardest to see what goes from there. It was one of the most hype drops I've ever seen at Supreme, and needless to say, the site is going to be super glitchy when 100,000 people, I'm just making a random number up, are on the page at once, and there's not that much stock. And there wasn't that much stock, and I know some people still cooked, and that's great. But for most of us, you know, you didn't cop. So, like I was saying before, what I was getting into, most of you probably got the processing error or the previously item ordered error, and this is probably the first time I've ever gotten the previously ordered item error. I didn't quite understand it at first. I had about 50 tasks going, which you'll see in the live cop video, and for like the majority, I'd say about 20 or 25 of them, I hit the previously ordered item or whatever the hell it is, order, and I found out the reason why. Now, actually, what it is it's just a regular processing error. I thought that I had maybe bought one, or maybe 2 or 3 or 4 or 10, and I just got super lucky, and it wouldn't let me buy another one because my bots were just refreshing and refreshing. That's actually not the case. It's just a processing error. That's all it is, and it's much like the card declines. The card declines are much like a processing error also, but what could happen with a card decline is that somebody cartjacked you. Now, I'm not completely sure how to cartjack or how to stop that. I think you can't. You just got to kind of get lucky, and the people that did get these BOGO hoodies either got really lucky or they have a really nice bot that isn't attainable to the public. And what I mean by that is they made it themselves. I know some cook groups, people are like programmers and they make their own bots, and they're incredibly useful. I'm not sure how because I'm not super knowledgeable in bots yet, but I plan to learn a lot about it. So if you guys don't know, there's this place called the website called Supreme Community, and it lists all the sellout times. It lists actually also the resale predictions and the retails of the items and the predicted retails before they come out, and also sometimes they give out keywords. What was really surprising to me is that the tan sweater in a small sold out the quickest. Now, obviously, it doesn't surprise me that it was small because small makes the most money, which goes the fastest. But the tan sweater went first before the box logo hoodies, and it was a pretty substantial amount of time, 24 seconds, 38 seconds. So, if you don't know, this website, it's called supremecommunity.com. They'll list out the sellout times, like I said before, and then also what you're going to want to look for is if you scroll down, you'll see basically all the other items, and that's how you can kind of tell to see if your item bricked or not without even seeing like StockX prices or something like that. In this case, this is completely wrong. Well, it's not wrong. Honestly, those items really did sit that long. You have to factor in all the credit card processing. So literally that takes up 20, 30, 40 seconds because some people, if they got lucky, they would basically add it to cart within 2 seconds, and for literally almost a minute, some people had to literally wait for a processing card, and some people got through, some people didn't. That's just how lucky they got. Um, and that's how these went for 72 seconds. The latest one, like the shirts, going for 91 seconds. Now that is just crazy. You'd think 91 seconds, obviously they weren't hyped. Yeah, they were super hyped, but the sellout times are a little iffy, so take that with a grain of salt. Sometimes I've seen items that go literally within 2 to 3 seconds, and then on the sellout time page, they'll go for like 15 seconds. So I'm not sure why or how they calculate it or not, but I know this is a really honest website. So basically, that's just what they do. They tell you the supreme times, and they also tell you the retails and resales. So with that being said, All bots screwed up. Now you might hear that some people like, oh yeah, I used Trip, I used Astro, I used Eve, or I'm just throwing out examples like that. Some of those bots did cook, just like ForceCop. I'm sure some ForceCop bots cooked, but a lot of bots had issues. Now I'm not sure what Supreme did, but obviously we got that previously ordered item error code, and I'm not sure why. I know a lot of manual users also got that. I'm not sure why this drop in particular, most people got it. I'd say around 95% of people did. Whether you went for the t-shirt or the sweater or the box logo, a lot of people got it, and I'm not quite sure why, other than it was just a card error. I'm not sure why Supreme decided to put the error under that name. They're weird. Their website's super weird. Like, you'll get card declines if the Supreme website thinks you're going too fast. They'll detect you as a bot. And I know last season I went all manual, no bots, and I went so quick sometimes that they would decline my card because they really would think I was going too fast with my autofill and everything. And I also got captured a few times. So, you know, it's just it's a toss up whether you're gonna get one of these items or not. So yeah, basically it's just a toss of whether or not you actually can cop, whether Supreme just wants to let you in or not, and you can definitely increase your odds with bots and stuff. But even sometimes manual users do better than bots. I mean, it's really, like I said, a huge toss up. So regardless, let's get into the live cop video and see if I actually copped or not.
You want me to hold it and film it?
No, I don't. Alright. Heart's pounding. Definitely nervous. This is how many tests I've got on this computer. Manual on that one. What's up, Sam? Some over there, some over there. Drop is live in 4 minutes. So good luck to everybody. I know you're going to be seeing this in the future, so I hope you copped. And then, yeah, I'll let you know if I copped or not. Good luck.
12 seconds later.
You're missing out.
Hey, Sam. Tell us what happened.
Yo, we fucking we lost everything. Took big L.
How many, do you think?
30 whatever. 32.
Fat L. Fat L's.
32.
Fat.
Your answer, I got 0, nothing, nada. I didn't cop a single thing with all the tasks I ran and everything I did, and that's just the way the resale life goes, or, you know, if you wanted to cop for personal, whatever. That's just the way reselling goes, and Supreme in general. So, like I said, though, if you didn't cop, don't be discouraged. There's plenty of more opportunities to get hype stuff. Like, I'm sure there will be another North Face collab, and there are the Comme des Garçons Air Force Ones going to drop, and the box logo sweaters dropping in December. So I'll see you guys in the next video.